going to be assembling the Thrifty Art and Display Easel. It's a very basic easel that's great for display. It comes with all the components and hardware that you're going to need. You've got your front side pieces, your back piece. Each of those are going to have legs. The rubber stopper on the end is what you want to look for to kind of know which the leg parts are. I'm going to just kind of put those there like that so I know we've got, if you look at the hardware here, we've got these 3 shorter bolts with the screw eyes and washers that are going to go for each of these. This is going to go for putting the top together in a few minutes, and then this larger piece is going to go for the tray bracket. Okay, so we're going to start with assembly. We're going to do the center bar that goes in the back first. We're going to put this behind that on the back. Okay, so we're going to put that leg in the back, washer, wing nut, make sure you get those nice and tight so there's no play in the leg. Now with the front pieces, we're actually going to put, instead of this being on the back, we're going to put those on the front. It'll just give us a little bit more kind of reach of the legs and help stabilize them a little bit better. So this is there, this will go on the front part. So we've got our centerpiece here. This piece is going to go on the side, and then this piece will come on this side. It's going to be a little funny just because those are kind of braced differently, but it is correct. Feed that all the way through the 3, making sure that this bevel goes like that so it makes that triangle. All right, so we're going to stand this up with those front legs forward. Front art holder, just place it on here, it's the easiest while you're doing this. Then the back goes here. This on here helps kind of brace this. So we're going to take this and we're going to put this loop in our back piece here. If you're not picky, you can just stick it on the back. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the bolt so that it's facing out the front, so it gives me a little bit more space, a little bit more room to have that angled. You can see it looped right here. You can do it kind of whichever way is you personally like. I'm going to do it that way. Now I'm going to get a push pin. I'm going to make a hole in the back here, close to my hardware. Okay, now that's secure. Then that's going to keep that leg from going further back. Folds up Easy for transport. Quick and easy. Less than 5 minutes assembly. Thrifty Art and Display Easel.